禅机上Weixin Shengjiao hosted an I Ching Feng Shui lecture by Grandmaster Hunyuan Chanshi at the Yilan County Gymnasium on the afternoon of September 1st. The event, organized by the Yilan Branch Temple, aims to promote I Ching and Feng Shui. Master Yuan Zhao, the head of the Yilan Branch Temple, convened a preparatory meeting on August 22nd to discuss the logistics of the upcoming events. Attendees included various staff, volunteers, and fellow cultivators. As the lecture approached, various tasks were required, from promotion of the events to management of the transportation, parking, and distribution of materials. To reach a wider audience, Master Yuan Zhao has been actively promoting the lecture through various channels. This included visiting Central Plains radio station and inviting radio host Wen Shou to announce the events. Additionally, she arranged for posters to be distributed to local businesses to inform residents about the lecture. During the meeting, Master Yuan Zhao discussed detailed planning, especially for VIP receptions and parking arrangements, to ensure the smooth execution of the event. Furthermore, she encourages attendees to invite their friends and families to participate in the lecture and receive the blessings of the teachings. Weixin Report, Yilan Branch Temple.